Assalamualaikum students, welcome to our today's physics class. In the previous video students, we have finished till Newland's table of elements. Now we are going to discuss the next topic, Mendeleev's periodic table. You know why Mendeleev has given a periodic table. To overcome the Newland's periodic table, to overcome the drawbacks of Newland, Mendeleev has given a periodic table. So what Mendeleev has done means he divided the chart into 8 vertical columns known as group students. Nothing but vertically he has divided the chart into 8 groups, and each group is divided into A comma B subgroup. Again each group is divided as A comma B subgroups. Next, each column contained the elements of similar chemical properties. Nothing but whatever elements are present in each column, they have the similar chemical properties, students. It is said that elements in a group have similar properties and elements along periods have different properties. So elements which present in same group has same properties, students, whereas elements if we consider in periods they have different properties. Next, let us see the Mendeleev periodic table. Next, see here students, first we have to discuss the periodic law. What is periodic law means? The periodic law of Mendeleev is, students, the law states that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. This is the periodic law here. What is given? Physical and chemical properties. Nothing but both physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. Nothing but they depend on atomic weight. Here, according to Mendeleev, the physical and chemical properties depends on atomic weight. Hence, he has given one table that is totally based on atomic weights. So, directly we are discussing the table 2, students, because table 1 and table 2 are same, but here table 2 is somewhat modified. So, let us discuss this table 2 first. Here, this is modified Mendeleev's periodic table of elements. So see here, these are the group of elements. How many groups are there? 8. So he has divided them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are denoted by Roman letters, that is 1, Roman number 2, Roman number 3, so on up to Roman number 8. And also the groups are divided further as A, B, A, B. Nothing but in each group you have again 2 sections. Those 2 sections are A and B, students. Nothing but 1A and 1B. Similarly 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, so on up to 8th group. Now see what these are the periods. Nothing but the vertical columns here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7. He has given 7 periods and 8 groups. Now how you will check? You will check the groups like this and periods in this manner. Nothing but the periods are checked as horizontal, whereas the groups are checked as vertical, students. Now see, whatever the elements present in each group, they have similar properties, whereas the elements present in each period have different properties. And here some spaces are also given, empty spaces, where he said that we can fill the electrons. We can fill the other upcoming electron metals. Next, see here 2 series are there in the down. One is lanthanide series and other is actinide series, students. Like this, Mendeleev has given his periodic table. This periodic table is based on Mendeleev nature. And now let us discuss the silent features of this periodic table. So these are the silent features and achievements of Mendeleev periodic table, students. First is groups and subgroups. Already we have discussed how many groups are there. 8 vertical columns, those are called as groups, and they are denoted by Roman numerals, that is 1 to 8, and the elements present in groups have similar properties. And again the group is divided in further group A and group B, and The first group elements are called as alkali metals. Next, see, periods are there. Periods means these are horizontal rows, nothing but these are the periods, and they are 7 in number, and they are denoted as Arabic numerals 1 to 7. And elements in period differ in their properties, nothing but one element with the other differ in their properties, that is either it may be chemical property or physical property, students. Next, third one is predicting the properties of missing elements. Whatever the missing elements are there, those how we can arrange them. So he has given elements were missing and left blank spaces at the appropriate places in the table. Nothing but observe here. Here the table is free and here also free. Now, if more elements were discovered, then we can fill them here. Like this he has given the space. And he has one more given, a tentatively adding the prefix eka, E-K-A. Eka nothing but Sanskrit word, it is numeral 1. Eka meaning is one student, so he has given some as Eka boron, Eka aluminium, Eka silicon. Later on these three or more are discovered as scandium, gallium, germanium respectively. Nothing but at his time we don't know the exact name of scandium, so he has given Eka boron, Eka aluminium as gallium and Eka silicon as germanium. This is totally silent features of predicting the properties of missing elements. How he has given the chance for filling the new elements, students. So next it is the table 3 here. Atomic weight Eka aluminium, Eka silicon, Eka gallium. Atomic weight, density, formula of oxide, formula of chloride. Like this he has given, and observed property, whatever the properties are there. So see here, the atomic weight of Eka aluminium is 68 and Eka silicon is 72, and density of Eka aluminium is 5.9. Formula of oxide nothing but whenever this Eka aluminium reacts with oxygen, it forms Ea2O3. The chemical representation he has given for Eka aluminium as Ea and Eka silicon Es. Like this he has given, students. Next, see students, fourth silent feature is correction of atomic weights. Nothing but how the atomic weights can be corrected in Mendeleev periodic table. So he has given one formula, atomic weight is equals to equivalent weight into valency. Nothing but whatever the valency of element into equivalent weight which we are measuring will give you the atomic weight. Like this he has given. So let us discuss for beryllium experimentally as 4.5. Nothing but the equivalent weight of beryllium is 4.5 and valency of beryllium is 3. Hence if we multiply 4.5 into 3, you will get the atomic weight of beryllium as 13.5. Similarly, like this we can do. So see here students, according to like this we will get here 13.5, but the beryllium actual valency is 2, not 3. Hence he has said that we have to multiply 4.5 into 2, that is equals to 9. Now beryllium fits in second group, not in third group. Hence like this he has helped to locate the elements in exact groups also. Next is anomalous series, students. What is anomalous series? Nothing but here in the arrangement of elements, some elements with higher atomic weight are in front of the atomic weight lesser elements. Nothing but here iodine is having 126.9 and tellurium is having 127.6. But how we have to arrange? We have to arrange iodine then tellurine. But in the periodic table, first is tellurine, then iodine is there. So he has done the minor inversions and he arranged iodine with the tellurium, and this caused no difference in the table, students. So no difference in the periodic table. Hence Mendeleev is more than any else on the originator of the periodic table. Hence he has the name that he is the originator of the periodic table. Nothing but First periodic table was given by Mendeleev. It is known as Mendeleev's periodic table. Let us discuss the limitations of Mendeleev periodic table. So first limitation is anomalous pair of elements. Nothing but here whatever the elements are present, they are anomalously arranged. Nothing but in one place we have arranged two, but it is wrong. And next is dissimilar elements placed together. Nothing but here lithium, sodium, potassium, etc. are there, and here manganese is there. So we have to arrange the same properties elements together, but in some cases in Mendeleev periodic table the elements with no matching of properties are also arranged. So this is the limitations of Mendeleev periodic table, students. Silent features are 5 and limitations are 2. Like this you have to write if the question is asked. Hence this is totally about Mendeleev periodic table. Now after Mendeleev periodic table you have a modern periodic table which we use in our daily this era. Now in the next video we will discuss about modern periodic table. Today's homework is, students, this first question, fourth question and fifth question. Today's section is over, students.